The last stress that we're going to go over is changes of pressure and volume. Now this one is perhaps the trickiest because it deals with or is only influenced by gas molecules. The most important, or I guess famous, application of this pressure and volume change is the Haber process, where nitrogen gas and hydrogen gas combine to make ammonia. And Mr. Haber figured out a way to make as much ammonia as possible by causing this reaction to shift to the right. And the basic rule of thumb is that when you have a gaseous reaction, in this case, you have four gas molecules, 1 and 3, four gas molecules changing into 2. That's for the forward reaction. The reverse reaction would take 2 gas molecules and convert them back into 4. So when you increase the pressure and decrease the volume, that means that there's less space. So the reaction that takes place will be the one that creates fewer gas molecules. So in this case, if you increase the pressure and decrease the volume, it should shift to the right because there are fewer gas molecules on the right-hand side. If you did the exact opposite, if you increase the volume by decreasing the pressure, if the volume's more, the reaction that creates more gas molecules should take place to a larger extent, and in this case, it's to the left. Here are 2 quick examples of pressure and volume in chemical reactions. For the first one, it's hydrogen plus hydrogen makes HI, and you may notice that in this one, 2 gas molecules react, 1 and 1, and it makes 2 gas molecules. So this is kind of a trick question because if you increase the volume and decrease the pressure, or vice versa, because neither reaction creates a different number of molecules, the forward or reverse, there's no change. So pressure and volume does not influence this reaction. The bottom one, and this is what's really tricky, is you got to pay attention to the phases. There's only gas molecules on the right, so there are 0 gas molecules on the left and 1 gas molecule on the right. So increasing the pressure by decreasing the volume should cause the reaction to shift to the right.